How's it going? Welcome to the channel. Today is October 1st, 2025. It is currently 8:20 a.m. The market will be open in less than 10 minutes. And once again, I'm going to be day trading NASDAQ futures. I'm actually going to start out trading the micros MNQ because I have this funded account here. It's a $50,000 funded account from Apex. You can see right here it says PA Apex. And I've got the balance up to $52,786. And today is actually the 8th day that I've traded this account. Today is actually going to be the 8th day that I've traded this account. So I have to take at least one trade on that account today, and then I can request a payout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start trading this account, any of my funded accounts. Once they're funded, I'm going to just start trading 5 micros instead of 1 NQ, just so I can, consistently get these to payouts without having to worry about much drawdown at all. So, once I scale this to 10 and even 20 funded accounts, I only need to make a couple $100 per account per day. Across 10 or 20 accounts, that's pretty decent money on the day. So that's the goal. So I'm going to continue trading the evaluation accounts with 1 NQ, and on some of those trades, if they're A+ setups going in my favor, meet certain criteria, I'll scale those to 2 or 3 NQs. But from now on, the funded accounts, as soon as they're funded, now that I've got this one eligible for a payout, I'm just going to start trading 5 NQs, play it safe, keep the risk low, and I just feel like that's a way better idea. So that's what I'm going to do there. So just a few more minutes, market will be open, and I'm going to wait for a setup. I'm only going to try to get one trade, 10 points or so for this funded account. Maybe if there's a couple of perfect setups, I might take a couple of trades on it, but I'm really not trying to trade that much today. Just need to lock in a little bit more profit on it and get that trade in for the day so that it meets the 8 days required for the payout. So let's see if we can get some good reversal trades, flag patterns, momentum continuation. Those are my main 3 kind of setups. So let's see if the market gives us some good setups today. We got some PMI data being released at 8:45 and 9. We had some non-farm employment at 7:15. So that's, we could see some crazy volatility at market open. And at 8:45 and 9. So I may not get a trade until after 9, but we'll just have to wait and see. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm going to be doing these videos pretty regularly. If I get good feedback from these videos, then I might go back to doing them every single day. If you want me to make these videos every single day, leave me a comment. Let me know that you find value in them, you would like to see more every day, and I'll be glad to do it. But until I get quite a bit of good feedback from them, then I'm just going to make them when I feel like making them. But I have some other good stuff planned for this channel in the future. Just over the next couple of months, I will be putting together a course, and I will be putting together a couple of just free videos that basically teach the strategies that I use and how I use them and how I get these accounts funded. And I might do one for options trading and just regular stock trading, like longer term swing trading. If you got a request for some kind of video you want me to make, just go ahead and comment that below too. And I'm just going to sit and wait for market to open and wait for my setups. So stay tuned.
But in how many you avoid. Do you understand the difference? Trading is about survival first and profits.
Now let's see if we can grab 10 points, bouncing back down from the top of that range there.
Every dollar you put
See if we can grab 10 points.
use
on,
when
come
the
on,
real
come
trade shows
on.
up. Weak trade that ends in a loss eats away at your mental reserves. It doesn't just cost you dollars, it costs you patience. It makes you desperate to win it back. And desperation is the graveyard of traders.
Come on, drop it
How
down.
many times have you seen yourself
News is about to be
throw
released. Drop it down. Come
just
on,
to
drop
make
it
even?
down real quick.
That spiral begins
Don't want to be in
with
this trade after 8:44.
I remember times when I had cash in
Come
my
on.
pocket and the tape looked tempting but not right. The old me would
Come
have taken
on.
the shot just to feel
Cutting
alive.
it too close here. Drop it down,
9
drop it
times out of
down.
10, it would cost me. The smarter me learned to
Drop
step
it
back.
down.
Better to sit in cash and look stupid than to sit in a losing position and feel trapped. Do you see the difference in power? Cash is power. A bad trade is weakness. Every time
There we go. Finally hit my target. I was hoping we could get that before
you weaken it.
8:45 because we have PMI data being released at 8:45 and 9.
Cash is also a position.
And that only put me about $59 in the green because
Fold the weak hands,
my connection
and that cash
had messed up, and when I got it reconnected,
strong setups when they appear.
my chart was off.
Strong setups come.
I took a trade, and it turns out I was trading based off of the candles that were
And you shouldn't want to.
a few minutes in the past.
Full of noise, full of
So I had to get out of that real quick, so that put me just a little bit down in the red
chase them all. You'll
to
lose
start the day. So now I got a 10-point trade there with 5 micros,
all the time.
and it put me about almost $60 in the green. So
Is yours to take.
it's not bad. It's a good start, I guess. And now I just got to wait and let the news come out and see what that does as far as price action.
Trades I ever made. Almost setups are how brokers get rich and traders go broke.
All right, I'm going to bet on that breakout. It's looking pretty strong.
Almost is not enough. It's either right or it isn't. And if it isn't, you keep your money in your pocket. Isn't that the simplest rule?
Try to grab 10 points here. It's looking really strong here.
Preserving capital isn't glamorous. It doesn't feel exciting. Folding a weak hand doesn't make your
Just trying to grab 10 points until I see what it's going to do. There we go.
Last from those who burn out. Excitement
Oh
is for
no.
Wealth is for traders.
I forgot to change it to NQ.
On patience, on folding the weak.
God
seize
dang
the
it.
strong. The beauty of this rule is that
Oh man.
markets change. Technology changes.
I forgot to change it to the NQ.
Preserving capital by folding weak hands.
Man. See if I can grab 10 more points off of
It will
that.
work 100 years from now.
Oh
Because it's not
man.
about charts or machines, it's about human nature.
See if we got 10 more points to go.
Greedy, fearful. Folding weak hands is the antidote to all of that.
Can't believe I
It's the
just
one
did
edge
that
you
shit.
can always control. Most
Man,
neutral
I
way.
can't believe I did that.
People think waiting is idleness, as if sitting outside of the market is wasted time. But waiting done right is the hardest kind of work.
Alright, that was 2 strong 5-minute candles, so that was a signal to go long.
When the moment comes, you don't
ATR is 34,
trader just wakes up.
so instead of 10 points, I'll go for 20 points.
The fortune is built in the quiet hours when he is
Go for 20 points on that,
analyzing and preparing. There were days in
just based on that strong 5-minute close there.
not one how it reacted. That allowed me to act instantly, without hesitation. Can you see why waiting must be active, not passive? Preparation is
Keep
what
pushing,
gives you
keep pushing.
conviction. Without it,
Can we grab the 20 points?
you're uncertain.
There we go.
Think about it. If you don't
Okay, so even though I screwed up
if you haven't won,
and was trading
the range
1 micro instead of 1
when the move finally
mini,
comes, you'll second guess yourself.
you know, I was able to
You'll hesitate.
hop back in there. I saw that strong close on that 5-minute candle there.
And hesitate.
ATR is 34, so I thought I could at least get 20 points.
The moment
It's probably going to keep going higher, but I was happy with 20 points.
the edge you need.
So now this account's back above 50,000, 50,330, 400 in the green on the day.
Wait. Then
So
appears they're unprepared.
that is really good.
Size wrong.
Let's see what else we can get today.
Stop with. Most traders don't even know their setup.
Oh, actually,
They just jump on anything that moves. That's not trading, that's gambling. And gambling is a fine way to ruin yourself. You wouldn't walk into a
yeah,
casino.
I'll take
You
that.
can beat
Take a
the
limit
house.
buy order right there.
Every hand, would you?
I'll have my stop right below here, just in
Best
case.
trades I ever made. The
Just
ones
gonna go
that
for
made
10
houses and
points.
cars and everything else.
If we get the
Didn't
feel
come
on it.
from luck or hunch like doing nothing. But in truth, waiting is work. Waiting is discipline. Waiting is the
Alright,
trader's real
looks like we're getting filled. See if we can grab 10 points on that real quick. Stop loss just under this. This is a nice flag pattern. Let's see if we can get the 10 points on it. I'll actually move my stop up a little bit, because if it comes down below there, then this trade's not going to work anyway. See if we can grab 10 points on it. I think we can. I think we're going to take out yesterday's high. Keep it going. Looking good so far. Come on. Can we get the 10 points?
Do you understand what I mean? The market will always give you chances.
We almost had it. We almost had it.
Some are traps, but a few are golden.
Push it, push it, push it. Come on, a little bit more.
Now,
got to protect my profits that I've got so far today.
Your compass. They tell you
there we go. Nice 10-point trade there. Perfect flag pattern. That's the first perfect flag pattern I've gotten in a while. So I had to take advantage of that. So nice winner. Nice winner for the evaluation account.
Maybe it's a pullback.
Alright guys, as far as the video is concerned for the day, I'm going to just cut it right here. And I'll continue trading if I see another good setup. You know, maybe we continue pushing up from here. I think it's possible. If we get a couple of good strong 5-minute bars there, then I might take another long. If this just starts looking super weak and it looks like we're going to fall off, I might take a short. If we get stuck in a range, I might trade the range and just continue working on this evaluation account down here. But, you know, I'm good with this for the day. If I don't get any more, I'm just going to go ahead and get this video edited and uploaded. So far on the day, the funded account is up to 52,846, and this was the 8th day of trading it. So I can take a payout, which I will do. So first thing in the morning, I'll request that payout, and then I'll just continue trading this evaluation account until that payout's approved and taken out of there. Then I can continue taking that, or continue trading that funded account too. So the goal here is just to stack as many funded accounts as possible. I'm going to work my way up to 10, and then eventually work my way up to 20. And I'll also have some with some other prop firms as well. So I'm just building a good set of funded accounts. That's mainly what I'm going to be doing, copy trading. And then that way I can trade small, low risk, but still scale pretty big. So that's the goal. That's the goal with trading with prop firms. That's one advantage you have, you know, trading with prop firms. It's a really good thing because it forces you to be a really tight, consistent trader. It forces you to manage your risk. And then once you get the hang of it, you can literally have 20 or 30 accounts across different prop firms, even more. And you can make a lot of money just by trading a few micros and just taking a couple of trades a day. So I'm going to keep watching the charts and see what happens. But for now, so far, I'm up about 660 bucks, something like that, close to it. So not a bad day. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave me some comments. Give me some feedback. Do you like these videos? Do you want me to make them every day? If I don't get some feedback, I'll just continue doing them every couple of days, every 3 or 4 days, just whatever I feel like doing. So let me know. And until the next one, peace out.